arrived at my hotel last night after dinner with this man that his mum taught with my grandma. Yeah, we didn't know each other at all, but it was really nice to meet him and his family. They were really lovely people. So it was a very nice evening, and then I came here in a taxi, which was about 2.5 hours. Also, why is this eyelash really good and this one's like non-existent? I don't know, I don't have any eyelashes with me and I don't care right now. So I can't believe that it's my last full day. What is going on? Got only one last full day and like I'm starting to pack up and that. I'm getting to that point where I'm like, oh yeah. Sorry, it's really bright. I'm like starting to get ready to go home. Like I just want to kind of get the flight over and done with. Not gonna lie, but like I don't want to leave. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm just worrying about the flight and I'd rather just get it done than do it. But yeah, I'm heading to the dolphins now. Yesterday, as I was traveling here, oh you can't see me like I thought, what is that? A man messaged me from the dolphin tour, but I don't know whether he is from the dolphin tour, and was like, oh, what's your hotel name? Like, are you close by for the dolphins tomorrow? And I was like, yeah, I'm really close. And then he was like, oh, I'm at your hotel reception now, can you come down and we can discuss it? And I'm like, no, it's 10 o'clock at night. I wasn't even at my hotel, I was in the car. But I was like, it's 10 o'clock at night. Oh, what the flip is that? Is that normal? That does not feel normal. I don't know, but we'll see today. That does not make me feel very comfortable.